Now that we've set up our lead generation process, let's make that data even more powerful. Every form response you collect automatically lands in your response sheet. This is where all your submissions live. To enrich this data, we'll add a new column. Click on the plus icon to create one, and for the field type, select Data Enhancements. Here we'll choose Company Info as the enhancement type. Now, we'll map the domain name from our existing form data. That's how TinyCommand knows which company to look up. Next, we'll select the attributes we want, things like company size, industry, revenue, and location. Let's name this new column Company Enhancement. Once we click Save, TinyCommand automatically creates all the relevant columns for those attributes. You'll now see a play button right next to it. When you hit play, the AI agent fetches the company details in real time and fills in all the fields instantly. And that's it. We've just enriched our form data with live company intelligence directly inside the same response sheet. You can use the same process to enhance person-level data too, like fetching job titles, LinkedIn profiles, or contact info. With TinyCommand, your data doesn't just sit there. It gets smarter with every click.